Overcast prevents a fabric from fraying once cut. Usually, the thread we need is the double of the sewing distance and a bit more to finish it off. To overcast, we have to stitch the thread around the fabric's edge in a way it holds its pieces. Do you see it? We cross the fabric with the needle from one side to the other, so the thread goes through, holding the edge. We keep on going until the end. Now we have to finish the seam off. The needle goes as always, but the thread goes under the needle. This way it remains held. Once more, the thread under the needle. And one last time. We cut the small loose threads carefully. And we just have our fabric overcasted.